How do we change mixed number to improper fraction? Multiply the denominator to the whole number and then add the numerator. So 3 times 5, 15 plus 2, 17. So that will be our numerator. And 3 will be the denominator. 7 and 1/4. 4 times 7, 28 plus 1, 29. Over 4. If we have 1 as the whole number, simply add the denominator 5 to the numerator 2. So 5 plus 2, 7 over the denominator 5. 7 plus 3, that is 10 over 7. How do we change improper fraction to mixed number? Divide them. So 23 divided by 7. So 23 divided by 7 is 3. 3 times 7, 21. Then subtract 2. The quotient 3 will be the whole number. The remainder 2 will be the numerator. And 7 will be the denominator. So the answer is 3 and 2/7. 9 over 2. So let's divide 9 by 2. So that is 4. Remainder 1 over the denominator 2. 7 divided by 5. That is 1. Remainder 2 over 5. 11 over 4. So divide. That is 2. Remainder 3 over the denominator 4.